Hi everyone, my name is Ruth Jasmine Duero, and today I am going to solve an original trigonometry problem based on what I see in my room. So, I have here a word problem to solve. World problem. While studying at my desk in my room, I've noticed a small speck of dust stuck to the very tip of my ceiling fan's blade. Each of the blade from the center of the motor is exactly 48 cm. When you switch the fan off, it slows down and sweeps through a final deceleration angle of 135 degree before coming to a complete stop. Our task is to convert the final angle of rotation from degrees to radians, leaving your answer in exact fractional radian form. So we're going to have a step-by-step solution. Step 1. Convert degrees to radians. Multiply by the conversion factor radian over 180 degree. One 35 degree times radian over 180 degree is equal to 135 radian over 180. Step 2. Divide the numerator and denominator by the greatest common divisor, which is 45. 135 radian over 180 degree. We divide this by the greatest common divisor 45 is equal to 3 radian over 4. Step 3 is the final answer. Its final answer is 3 radian over 4. That's all. Thank you.